Selena, Class 10, Chapter 14, Equation of a Line. Sum number 15, A 5 4, B minus 3 minus 2 and C 1 minus 8 are the vertices of triangle ABC. Find, first part, the slope of the altitude of AB. Given A 5 4, B minus 3 minus 2 and C 1 minus 8 are the vertices of triangle ABC. Slope of AB equal to minus 2 minus 4 upon minus 3 minus 5 equal to minus 6 upon minus 8 equal to 3 upon 4. Slope of the altitude of AB equal to minus 1 upon slope of AB equal to minus 1 upon 3 upon 4 equal to minus 4 upon 3. Second part, the slope of median AD. Since D is the midpoint of BC, coordinates of point D are minus 3 plus 1 upon 2, minus 2 minus 8 upon 2 equal to minus 1 minus 5. Slope of AD equal to minus 5 minus 4 upon minus 1 minus 5 equal to minus 9 upon minus 6 equal to 3 upon 2. Third part, the slope of the line parallel to AC. Slope of AC equal to minus 8 minus 4 upon 1 minus 5 equal to minus 12 upon minus 4 equal to 3. Slope of line parallel to AC equal to slope of AC equal to 3. Sum number 16. The slope of the side BC of a rectangle ABCD is 2 upon 3. Find, first part, the slope of side AB. Since BC is perpendicular to AB, slope of AB equal to minus 1 upon slope of BC equal to minus 1 upon 2 upon 3 equal to minus 3 upon 2. Second part, the slope of side AD. Since AD is parallel to BC, slope of AD equal to slope of BC equal to 2 upon 3. Sum number 19. Find the slope and the inclination of the line AB if A equal to minus 3 minus 2 and B equal to 1 2. Slope of AB equal to 2 minus into minus plus 2 upon 1 minus into minus plus 3 equal to 4 upon 4 equal to 1 equal to tan theta. Inclination of line AB, tan theta equal to 1, theta equal to 45 degree. Second part, A equal to 0 minus root 3 and B equal to 3 0. Slope of AB equal to 0 minus into minus plus root 3 upon 3 minus 0 equal to root 3 upon 3 equal to 1 upon root 3. Slope equal to tan theta. Tan theta equal to 1 upon root 3, theta equal to 30 degree. Inclination of a line AB equal to theta equal to 30 degree. Third part, A equal to minus 1 to root 3 and B equal to minus 2 root 3. Slope of AB equal to root 3 minus 2 root 3 upon minus 2 plus 1 equal to minus root 1 root 3 minus 2 root 3 is minus 1 root 3 upon minus 1 equal to root 3 equal to tan theta. Tan theta equal to root 3, theta equal to 60 degree. Inclination of a line AB equal to theta equal to 60 degree. Sum number 18. The point minus 3 2, 2 1 and A4 are collinear. Find A. Given point A minus 3 2, B 2 minus 1 and A and CA4 are collinear, means slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. Slope of AB equal to minus 1 minus 2 upon 2 plus 3 equal to slope of BC 4 plus 1 upon A plus 2. Minus 3 upon 5 equal to 5 upon A minus 2. Cross multiply, minus 3A plus 6 equal to 25. Minus 3A equal to 19. A equal to minus 19 upon 3 equal to minus 6 1 upon 3. Sum number 19. The point K3, 2 minus 4 and minus K plus 1 minus 2 are collinear. Find K. The given point A, K3, B, 2 minus 4 and C minus K plus 1 minus 2 are collinear means slope of AB equal to slope of BC. Slope of AB equal to minus 4 minus 3 upon 2 minus K equal to minus 2 plus 4 upon K minus K plus 1 minus 2. Minus 7 upon 2 minus K equal to 2 upon minus K minus 1. Cross multiply 7K plus 7 equal to 4 minus 2K. 9K equal to minus 3. K equal to minus 1 upon 3. Sum number 20. Plot the point A 1 1, B 4 7 and C 4 10 on the graph paper. Connect A and B and also A and C. Which segment appears to have the steeper slope? AB or AC? Justify your conclusion by calculating the slopes of AB and AC. From the graph, clearly AC has steeper slope. Slope of AB equal to 7 minus 1 upon 4 minus 1 equal to 6 upon 3 equal to 2. Slope of AC equal to 10 minus 1 upon 4 minus 1 equal to 9 upon 3 equal to 3. The line with greater slope is steeper. Hence, AC has steeper slope. Point A 1 1, B 4 7, C 4 10. Joint AB and AC. From the graph, it is clear that AC is more steep than AB. Sum number 21. Find the values of K so that PQ will be parallel to RS. Given first part P 24, Q 36, R 81, S 10K. Since PQ is parallel to RS, slope of PQ equal to slope of RS. Slope of PQ equal to 6 minus 4 upon 3 minus 2, that is equal to 2. Slope of RS equal to K minus 1 upon 10 minus 8 equal to K minus 1 upon 2. Both the slopes are equal. 2 equal to K minus 1 upon 2. K minus 1 equal to 4. K equal to 5. Part 2. P 3 minus 1, Q 7 11, R minus 1 minus 1 and S 1K. Since PQ is parallel to RS, slope of PQ equal to slope of RS. Slope of PQ equal to 11 plus 3 upon 7 minus 3. 11 plus 1 upon 7 minus 3 equal to 12 upon 4 equal to 3. Slope of RS equal to K plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 equal to K plus 1 upon 2. Both the slopes are equal. Therefore, 3 equal to K plus 1 upon 2. K plus 1 equal to 6. K equal to 5. Part 3. P 5 minus 1, Q 6 11, R 6 minus 4K and S 7K square. Since PQ is parallel to RS, slope of PQ equal to slope of RS. Slope of PQ equal to 11 plus 1 upon 6 minus 5 equal to 12 upon 1 equal to 12. Slope of RS equal to K square plus 4K upon 7 minus 6 equal to K square plus 4K. Both the slopes are equal. Therefore, 12 equal to K square plus 4K. K square plus 4K minus 12 is equal to 0. Solve by quadratic equation. plus 4 split into two numbers such that its addition is plus 4, multiplication is minus 12, plus 6 minus 2. Therefore, k plus 6, k minus 2 equal to 0. K equal to minus 6 and plus 2.